Okay, Figma. See, basically already previously we have taken we already saw the UIX, the part of Adobe XD, and already we have done so many sessions in Adobe XD. So now we can start with Figma. What is Figma? So already take the Figma. Figma is a web application and mobile application platform, and Figma is a vector graphics editor and prototyping tool which is primarily web-based with additional offline features enabled by desktop applications for Mac OS and Windows. I already told now Figma is and Figma and Adobe XD is a vector graphics editor, and we can scalable any object or any design. It's an infinity of scalable. Okay, so you can create any object or any design or any text. You can scale it. You can scale any large size. You can scale it as any large size, but the quality will not be decrease. Why means it's a vector graphics editor and it is a prototyping tool which is primarily web based with additional offline features, and we have and it's enabled by desktop applications for Mac OS and Windows. Mac is nothing but Apple. Okay, the Figma mobile app for Android and iOS allow viewing and interacting with Figma prototypes in the real time mobile devices. Okay, so it is a vector graphics editor and it is a already prototyping tool, and it is a web based, and we have online features and as well as offline features and online features with the desktop applications like Mac and Windows, and it is completely supported with Android and iOS to interacting with Figma prototypes. Okay, which language is used to program Figma? Figma program is with C++ and it works completely on C++ program. Okay, it has been designed and backend is supported by C++. It is integrated and embedded with React.js app with a backend platform using with WebAssembly. Okay, so Figma, when it is running with Figma, so the backend platform will be the React.js, and C++ program has it has been integrated. Okay, and WebAssembly defines a portable binary code format and a corresponding text format for executable programs as well as software interfaces for facilitating interactions between such programs and their host environment. And we have a question here: what is team collaboration and team management? So we have already group of projects and group of people who is interacting with one project to another project. Okay, suppose we are doing with Taxigo. Taxigo is one of the mobile app where we created in the backend. So in that particular mobile app, how much of team we are working in that particular mobile app, and what are their personas? Personas is nothing but their profiles, their experience, their goals and everything. So after completing the team collaborating, how they are working, and after coordination with the team, then we would like to interacting with the team management. So that we call as team collaboration and team management. If you want to write it, please write it down. It is good. Write it down. Okay, please work on it. Okay, so this is the Figma intro. Okay, come to the Figma, Google and use Figma. I told you this is a collaborative and web application interface design, and it is work for desktop applications for Mac OS and Windows. Click at the Figma website and let's check with Figma what we do with Figma. Click it, and this is Figma website. So basically in the Figma we can create design, prototype, design systems, and everything will be there. And we have some team meetings, any diagrams we can do it. And this is one type of Figma, and this is one type of Figma jam. Okay, and we can create here this type of designs. Okay, this type of user interfaces, and the fastest way to go from idea to reality, brainstorming, the alignment. Okay, alignment, see how it is working, diagrams, stick notes, workshop, Figma jam. It's an online portal. Okay, create, iterate and repeat. We can create the design, and iterate is nothing but changes. If you design one, if you create one design, again we have done with some changes that we call as iterations. Iterations, the word is nothing but change, and again we can repeat it. Okay, build an iterative design flow with a live collaboration that keeps you in the loop, whether you are working in the office or remotely. So nothing. And powerful design systems like this, we can create a buttons. Okay, and we have a different type of assets here, like different type of plugins. We can check it in Figma directly. See, if you're taking with icons, okay, and we have to download any icons from Adobe XD or any third-party websites, and we are downloading and we are using the icons and we are keeping into the mobile app. But in Figma, not like that. Directly we can create a plugin, and we can directly integrate a plugin here, and directly we can take the icon from that particular plugin easily. And we have almost 10 to 15 plugins, and we have so many plugins here. So directly we can integrate here. Okay, and these are the body text here, like home, centralized and accessible your entire company, assets and shareable styles. We can create a buttons, and we can create a colors, we can create with styles, we can create a text, everything we can create in this particular assets. So build the bridge is nothing but developer hands off. These are the containers and conversations, design and development. So already the code will be automatically, the code will be here. See, the flexibility of Figma is nothing but we easily integrate. Okay, when we create one design, automatically the code will be generated automatically here. See, if you create a design here, and automatically we can see the code, as we can see the CSS code, we can see the Android code, and we can see the iOS code. So directly the development team of web and mobile app developers, easy to integrate the design to development. So Figma really brings together different parts of team, and not just designers but also product managers and engineers. So the amount and quality of feedback is 10 times better than before. Exactly, the Figma is not for it's a different type of different parts of the team, Not only the designers and product managers and engineers also, they can work with this particular platform easily. So this is the Figma. So try Figma for free. So no need to download any software for Figma. We have a completely online. We can directly work with Google. So if you have any enterprises, you can take it here. Securities and companies, products, and click it here, the downloads. Figma for iOS and Figma for Android and Mac installer and Windows installer. Desktop for app Windows also, we can take it here. The comparison of Sketch, Adobe XD, Invision, Studio, Framer, Design on Windows and Miro. And you can click it here and we can log in here, single sign in, or if you want to take a subscription of this, you can register here, click it, see directly we can take it and registration from here. So this is the annual conference. Pricing, click it, the pricings, and starter will be the free and forever. Okay, if you want take a free like design, you can do it, and you can again you can create a prototype also, and you can share this, you can share your direct the Figma file into one multiple person. So directly the two persons can easily work together using one Figma file. Okay, so you can share this file and you can work together easily using with one Figma file. Okay, that we have with a starter program. We can integrate plugins, widgets and templates, and it is for mobile app. Unlimited collaborators, good, unlimited personal files, and 3 Figma and 3 Figma jam files. And come to the professional. It is for unlimited Figma files, only 3 Figma here. It is unlimited Figma files, unlimited version history, sharing permissions. Here we have sharing permissions only for one person. Here we have sharing permissions for all, sharing and private projects, team libraries and audio conversations. And come to the Figma organization and everything in professionally, plus organization wide libraries and some more better outputs, design system analytics, branching and merging, centralized file managements, unified admin and billings, private plugins and widgets, and single sign-on. This is, they have different type of things, and this is called Figma Professional, and $12 per month for professionals. Organizations they are taking for $45 per month. So this is thing. We can work with a starter program, by means we have a directly the Gmail login, we can do it, and we can use the starter program like this. You can use the Gmail login, or otherwise you can create a account and the name and password. Okay, sir, come to here. What about the Figma salaries? Salaries in India, click it, see how the range it is. It is almost 6 lakhs of package, and this 3 lakhs of package. And here I am not saying guys, this is a pay scale, and you can go for the Glassdoor, and you can go to the 6-figure and Naukri. How many jobs we have guys? 24,722 Figma jobs we have, and we have to check it into the ambition box also. And this is the main thing. See how the salaries we have, how the range we have, and see these are the freshers, product designers, graphic designers. The titles will be changed and the salaries are different. See, as a fresher also it is giving 5,85,000 based on the company. Okay, and we will call as a, our designations will be user interface designer, like UX designer, UX and UI designer, graphic designer, product designer, and user experience designer. Here we have the designation, and click it this one, and you can check it here also. See, it's a web designer developer and senior software engineer. Like this, some companies will ask us. Okay, and come to the average base salary. So click it the back step. So average base salary will be, close it, click it this one, and salaries, come to the salaries, get started. So it is asking to escape. Okay, average annual salary will be 4.2 lakhs per annum, and these are only the basic salary, guys. Okay, and the highest package will be 9.7 lakhs. It's basic salary. And come to the 8 to 9, this is the 8 lakhs and annual salary by experience, and 9.7 lakhs will be average salaries, and Indian range 4.2 salaries. This is only the first level, guys. Okay, only I'm asking with here, and 11 lakhs the highest salaries will be there, 12 lakhs, but this is a very less package, 13 to 20 lakhs. Storyboard and illustrator. Why I have given the assignment, guys? 6 to 16 lakhs. The salaries are very high. Now the Hyderabad looks very less salaries. Come to the Bangalore, you can get a double to triple salaries compared to Hyderabad. Okay, so we have almost the base of salaries will be very high, and the packages are very high. And you think, guys, we are not working with a basic companies, we are working with multinational companies. And come to the Accenture also, they need a UX designers. Come to the any company, guys, you can take any company, like not only see the descriptions. Almost Accenture is providing 10.8 to 17.8 range of salary because of the UX designer. It's rocking in the market. Every company has doing a product, so every company need a product designer, and that we call as UI UX designer. That we are the UI UX designers. We have to know the knowledge on branding and as well as the product design. So the storyboards are very important, guys. That's why I just given the assignments in the previous session. Okay, please check it and please practice well. And not disclosure is there, not disclosing the salaries, but how the jobs we have 13,575. And see, engineering software engineers are very less, but UX designers are almost a double of salaries, 13,575 salaries, 5,575 jobs are there working, and 23,439 jobs from work from home, and permanent and remote and hybrid. So Adobe XD and Figma is rocking in the market right now. Okay, salaries are high, guys, don't worry. Okay, see, check with 6 figure, and you can check with here the salaries, how the salaries we have, guys. And it's a CMM level 5 company, and 12.1. And see this one, experienced engineer, they are giving 23 lakhs as a CTC. The base they are giving 21.2, and the bonus 1.8. Nothing, experienced designer is nothing but click it here. They are asking only the 2 technologies, asking for Adobe XD and Figma. So you have to know the storyboard knowledge and prototype knowledge and everything. So see here, 15 to 16, the experienced company it is asking. And come to the Travelers, HCL Technologies also asking. How the salaries it has? Check it, friends. So please be practice on storyboards and see, almost the salaries are high. It's a base pay average, friends. Base pay. High salaries are totally different on UI UX for UI UX designers. Okay. So let's start with login, guys. Let me take today user interface sessions for Figma. Already we have done some designs in the Figma in the previous sessions, like previous classes. So previous batch students, let's see that type of particular designs also in Figma, how flexibility it is compared to Adobe XD. So come to here, already I told you, guys, and come to the login and go to the using with Gmail ID and use Gmail login. So if you log in here like this, the Figma interface will be flow. Okay, or otherwise just come to here. Let me take with some more, just take it here and make it, just log in with one Gmail login. So I log in like this. So it is asking, tell about yourself, and myself is Vamsi, and what kind of work you do. I'm a product management, or I can a design. I am a designer and as well as or product management. Let's go with the design, friends. Click it and go to the personal use. We are just creating as a personal use only and we are just learning kids. Okay, I agree to join Figma mailing list. Create account. Create account. When you creating account, then automatically the interface will be flow like this. Okay, so these are the Figma. If you want to create a new Figma file, click it here and we can see the Figma file directly. This is the toolbox and this is the properties. Simple interface. The interface is very simple and I would like to go with the previous options. Click it here and go to back to files. So, and this is the interface and come to the things. These are the predefined designs what I have done and come to the, if you want any team, already we created here, no? Okay, after create account, they will ask what is your team. See, my team is a design team. So I can create a design team and I can create one name here and I can create a team. So my team, I can create it here as a create account. Is it clear? So come to the create team. Already we done with here some designs what we have done. Okay, and I'm just double click. I can show some designs here. We created one e-commerce application that is called same as usual what we created as Adobe XD. Same here also we can create like that only. So we can create the app icons and the splash screens and the login screens, OTP verifications and come to the home screen, new arrivals and filters and come to the new arrival filters and product descriptions and add to cart. So the same designs we have created here with as a visual design. Okay, we already created as a storyboards also for this. Okay, when you uploading any Behance, then you have to upload your storyboard and you have to upload your medium fidelity wireframes and as well as you have to upload with your high fidelity wireframes like visual design. When you keeping the three designs like storyboards, medium fidelity and high fidelity designs, then automatically we have to create a design case study like creating typography and a basic animations. If you want, you can place it there and we can create one portfolio completely from user flow to from product description to from the till end of the design what the design we have taken. So from product description, user flows and creating architecture. Okay, architecture flow also we can create as a user flow only and come to the medium fidelity wireframes, storyboards, high visual designs. So this all the parts will come from design case study. Okay, come to here. I'm clicking here like as a splash screen and I can click it here and we can see directly the prototype here. Okay, already it is into the prototype links. If you click it here, click it, then automatically we can see the prototype animation. If you log in, then automatically the OTP verifications and click it and go to the filters or new arrivals. Click it here and go to the new arrivals and go to the filters menu. See, click it here. After clicking C, if you click the filters, then automatically click apply. So automatically the images will be changed and click any product description. You can see the product description. If you want to buy or buy now, click it. We can see the ordered list. So like this. If you click it home or otherwise you would like to go backwards, click it the back. Like this, we can create one mobile app using with screens. Sir, we have one more project that we call as Hastanam. Already we done with it. If you see the India Mart is one of the India Mart is one of the manufacturing suppliers and exporters. So like that we created one client we have done with a real-time project like that is called Hastanam. That is also one type of real-time project. So you can take in the connecting buyers to suppliers already taken with the login screens and registers, home screens, and the home screens we created like this. Okay, and come to the product search, product filters, my profiles, settings, language, currencies, everything guys, everything we created. And one working with notifications, account securities, contact us, about us, terms and conditions, privacy policies. So here we done almost 150 screens from here completely using with albums, photos, customer support. We have a storyboard here with completely with a diagram charts, and we created like this. Okay, and we done with here the tax details and customer support, tax details pay from and tax details pay in, and complete order details, logistics details, order closed. Order closed, it will be scroll down here and come to the order closed payment records, payment invoice, refunds. So again payment overviews here, and product details, reviews, messages, calls, message hamburgers, profiles, report, send going. So this is a completely, and chart keyboard, emojis, upload plus. If you want to upload any image or any chart description, if is there any error, you would like to upload an image on camera, and quick phrases and front end messengers. Like this we created for one real-time project. Already it is going in the back end of Android and iOS, it is running right now. And suppliers and profile, virtual office, enquiries, channel infos, basic infos, the profile infos, account edit passwords, account if company information, and manage certificates, and bank details, and account deletion, everything, account login and account deletion also, privacy info and privacy info edit. So every step we created guys. And how the marketplace we have, and in this mobile app we can create a supplies details and product details, supplies and product details, and again here we have the filters. So every step we have done guys very clearly and perfectly. Anything doubts? So like this, we don't want to close Figma like this. If you close the Figma directly, the file will be closed. So whenever if you open any file, that click it Figma, automatically Gmail login will be there, automatically it will be Figma will be login. So come to here guys and go to the Figma. Already these are the previous files, and we have done all the files. Like if you would like to create any food delivery app, click it, food mobile app, so click it. We need a speed internet here. Like this the frames will be there. Okay, so this is the design that where we have done. Okay, this is one type of design. See the restaurants, home restaurant screens, my cart, delivery, and again sliders. These are the sliders, carousels. So if you want to take it, click it and make it play. Click it, the mobile app, and click it, login. Just logins. So here we have the screens, and come to the close this one. Come to the prototype and see the screens. We don't have complete the prototype here. Okay, so only design. Sir, we have a flexible option here, and I would like to create this splash screen or login screen. No need to go for a pressure. Why means already we have some inspect here. The properties will be work on CSS. Okay, cascading style sheet. I need a code of iOS, I need a code of Android, the code automatically it will be generated, and the people who has interacting with us, like mobile app development people or web development people, we coordinate with, we collaborated and we coordinated with web development people and Android and iOS people, how the design we have to do and what are the code they need. We have to share the code, or we have to share with we have to share this file to Android and mobile app development people, and we have coordinated with that people which design should be changed or what are the changes we need and what are the icons we have to give, that we have to discuss with the development people. So we have to design the first we have to design, guys. After that we have to interact with the development people. So this is the Figma. So don't close directly, guys. If you want to go again back, come to the main menu, come to the back to files. I would like to create a new design file. Click it, new design file, and this is the interface, guys. So is there any artboard? No, there is no artboard. If you click it here, we would like to take a frame, take the frame, and we can select the what are the sizes we have. Here we can create the sizes here. I would like to go with iPhone 13 mini. Click it, then automatically we can create one artboard, or we have different type of artboards. Again select the frame, we can take it desktop, we can take it presentation, we can take a watch, we can take a paper, we can take a social media, and we can take a Figma communities and come to the phone like this. Anything else? These are the sizes. Take a more tool, just double click, and we are creating a basic interface, user interface. So in this user interface, we can take it, select this one, and we can select this one and make it, take the boxes and you can duplicate the boxes and select this one. You can take the line, you can take the ellipse, and you can take the star. These are all the basic shapes. Already we have know in Illustrator, Photoshop and Adobe XD. So you have a knowledge on these particular shapes. So what I am saying, when we create in the next move, so next session we can complete work on toolbox and the properties panel. Clear? Thank you, guys, and have a great day. Please be check once. Please log in to Figma. Come to the login with user, your Gmail ID. Okay, your Gmail ID is fine for us for use a personal use. Okay, thank you, guys, and have a great day.